So we're here at Remy's Rides with Jeremy Sharp.
Hello.
Jeremy Sharp is the local 3000 GT stealth guru here in Northwest Georgia. What are we doing today, Jeremy?
Today we're going to be pulling the transmission out of this all-wheel drive VR4 and swapping in an upgraded clutch and pressure plate. So Morgan here can handle the power and get it down to the ground out of his upgraded turbos and fuel system that we put in into last year. So we get to remove about this entire half of the engine bay here. Underneath all this factory and aftermarket nest of parts and components. So we're currently jacking the car up and getting ready to start pulling the axles out, wheels and tires, and some of the underneath suspension.
What do we have over here? What are we working with today?
This is the Spec 4 Plus clutch that we're going to be putting in. It's an unsprung clutch, and it's a solid surface instead of a puck. So it gives you a little bit smoother engagement, but also gives you lots of holding force. And then we have a really nice ball bearing short throw shifter.
So that's a Seattle short shifter?
It's a Seattle short shifter. And physically it's not a whole lot shorter here, but the mounting points have been moved. So it makes it a much shorter shift in the car, which also lets you be able to get through the gears a little bit quicker. And then we've got some Redline MT85 oil that's going to go back in the transmission, and some Redline heavy duty shockproof, which is what I like to use in the transfer case. And we're also, that's all we're doing now. We always end up doing 10 more things in Morgan's car when we're working on it, so it's kind of where we're at the moment.
All right. So that's Jeremy Sharp of Remy's Rides. I got to put the camera down and actually help out today, so I got to get to work.